Housekeeping English conversation. Should I clean the room? The room is already cleaned. When should I clean the room? May I come in? I'm here to clean the room. Should I change the bed sheets? I clean once a day. Should I clean the towel? I threw away the trash. Where is the trash bin? The bathroom is cleaned. Do you need more soap? Please close the door. I am cleaning the floor. I am dusting. Should I wash the clothes? The clothes are washed. Where are the cleaning supplies? The glasses are cleaned. No need to clean today. Please come later. Someone is still in the room. The bed is made. The bottles are refilled. What is the room number? The room is clean. It will be done in 1 hour. Do you need more toilet paper? Please check the room again. The cleaning is finished.